How to use Sweatcoin app and earn money. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can use the Sweatcoin app and earn money. So let's get started. So what Sweatcoin basically does is that it tracks your steps in the background, and without draining your battery, it can just convert your Sweatcoins to redeem offers, prices and discounts in the marketplace. So the first thing you will need to do is download the app on your smartphone or your smartwatch. After that, you can walk, run or exercise and then earn Sweatcoins for each step you take. You can redeem the step coins for the rewards. You can head over to the reward section to check out the rewards, and after you find the rewards, you can just redeem them. You can also track your process and also track your progress and set a daily goal, and after that you can even compete with your friends. So after you earn a bit of Sweatcoin, you can head over to your Sweat wallet, and from here you will be able to just buy different cryptos. You can trade different cryptos, you can buy NFTs and many more. So you can just sell the NFTs that you have, and yeah, you can basically earn money from that, and it's that simple. And that is all for the video guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.